Did you know going just 72 hours without sleep can cause hallucinations, memory loss, and even temporary insanity? So what would happen if humans never slept again? Today on The Mind Twist, we're diving into a sleepless world. No beds, no dreams, no rest. Just endless hours of being awake. Sounds productive, right? Well, not exactly. At first it might feel like a superpower. Imagine an extra 8 hours a day to work, study, binge watch, or travel. But the human body isn't built for endless activity. Without sleep, our brains can't reset. Our memories break down, our immune system collapses, and our emotions go haywire. In fact, chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even early death. Why? Because sleep is more than just rest. During deep sleep, your brain literally cleans itself, removing toxins. REM sleep helps process memories and emotions. Your muscles repair, your hormones balance, and your creativity sparks. Take away sleep, and society changes too. Work hours stretch endlessly. Relationships suffer when people are irritable and exhausted. Hospitals overflow as health collapses. And imagine driving on the road with billions of permanently sleep-deprived zombies behind the wheel. The most shocking part? Without sleep, our very identity might crumble. Studies show that after extreme sleep deprivation, people experience personality changes, paranoia, and even psychosis. In a sleepless world, humanity could lose not only its health, but its sanity. We'd be awake, but barely human. So while skipping a night's sleep might sound harmless, a world without sleep would collapse in chaos. Sleep isn't wasted time, it's the fuel that keeps us alive. What's the longest you've ever stayed awake? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more mind-twisting health scenarios.